Hi everyone, I just hope everyone is doing well. So today let us learn how to execute a script. So we have learned that script gets executed when we click on the block stack. So when we create some things like stories, animation, games, etc. So it is always better it is always recommended that we can trigger the script execution on the occurrence of event. Now this event can be of anything like clicking the green flag or when space key pressed, when backdrop switches is set to backstage, or even when the loudness is set. So this kind of things are called events. So you can see the events in the events block. So these are called the events, like when green flag clicked, when space key pressed, when the sprite is clicked. So these are events block which are under the events category. You can notice that these are hat shaped blocks. So you can see on the top there is a curve. Okay, it looks like a hat. That is why this type of blocks are also called hat blocks. And this type of blocks, the hat blocks or the hat shaped blocks, are always placed at the beginning of the block stack. In the script area, you can see all the hat blocks are placed on the beginning. In the beginning, okay, at the beginning we have placed all this. There are three blocks, okay, there are three block stack and all the hat blocks has placed on the top at the beginning. So hat shaped blocks are always placed at the beginning. You can see there is another hat shaped blocks under the control category here. When I start as a clone, this is also hat shape. So this is also a hat shaped block. So this type of blocks are always placed at the beginning of the block stack in the script area. And this kind of blocks are available mainly under the events category along with the other categories in the blocks palette. So now let us see how the script can be executed. So here we can see block stack. Okay, you can see a block stack here. So you will notice now in the first block stack what you will see when the green flag will be clicked. You will see what will happen. The drums will start playing. Okay, all these sounds, all these drums, this will start playing for this much time. That means for 1 bit. Okay, and this is the note. Okay, in the second block you will see when green flag will be clicked, okay, the color of the sprite will be changed by this value and it is under the forever block. That means it will keep on changing until and unless you click on red stop sign. And the third block you can see when the space key will be pressed, the size of the sprite will be increased. So let us see how this script triggers or how this script executes. First one, when green flag clicked. So here we go, we will execute it. So since this is under forever block, so it will constantly keep on playing the same tune, okay, one after another. So it will not stop until and unless we click on red stop sign. Okay, this is the first block step. So we will click on red stop sign to stop this block stack. So here we go. Yeah, this one done. Now let us see the second one, how this second block will execute. When green flag clicked under the forever, the color of the sprite will be changed and this is the value. You can change the value if you want. It can be modified as you know. So let us see here. When green flag clicked, the color will be changed. See, the color of the sprite is changing and it is under forever block. So it will constantly do the same thing, the same process, the same procedure. You have to click on red stop sign to stop this execution. Okay, now let us see the third block. So here you can see when the space key will be pressed, the size of the sprite will be changed. So let us see now, if the space key is pressed, how the sprite looks like. Okay, so see, the size of the sprite has become bigger, it has changed. So this is all you can see how the script is being executed. So we here in this script we have seen that different events are there and they triggered different scripts for a sprite. In the first one there was a sound, okay? In the second one there was a color, and in the third one there was a size. Okay, so this is how we can execute a script by using some events block. Events means some kind of actions.